You want your ball? Ah, big bite. What's that? Where's your ball? Lukey, where's your ball? You want another bite? Big bite. Ah. You're tired, boy, huh?
Have you been up all afternoon? What's that?
Dada. You want that? That's a camera. You want it? After you finish your dinner. Really? Not until you wipe off your mouth. You want the tennis ball on the floor now? Do you want another bite? Big bite? Good bite. Here's Jumbo. On the floor. You want it now? Okay, yay, Lukey. Good boy. Cut. Side to side. Yeah, you gave me a big clap. Side to side. You got your feet.
Are you happy?
You happy? You tired, buddy? You want that?
Lucas, are you sleepy?
You sleepy? Yeah. Happy?
What else is time to laugh?
All right then.